I'm also, my bank manager came to me the other day. They said, Mr. Kunz, we want to try a new thing. We would like if you bank with us for a little bit. They said that would be lekker. But what I'd like to do now, I've brought my guitar. And we've printed out the words of our Afternoon Delight song.
Okay.
So Kurt Darren, would you please do me the honor? I'll sing it with you.
You have to sing with me. I don't know the song.
So I'm going to just be a little bit away from the mic because, and let's be honest, who's got the voice here?
You.
No.
No, Andre, I will only do it if you into the... And you know what the funny thing is? Adrian over there volunteers to take the video so he doesn't have to sing.
And of the people who can't sing.
Hy is sing. Dankie self. En weer ek weet nie of hy gaan sing nie of 60.
No, please. Dankie toch.
I think we should actually ask Henry to sing it. Henry's here. He's been driving around the whole day.
Is he a chauffeur, Henry?
No, but I must tell you, he's such a good guy. You pick him up at the airport, and he's the DP
of
Imperial GM, the DP. And he decided to pick me up and drive me around. So buy a donkey and then for the
Is that in the radio business what you call a shameless plug?
No, but you know what? The thing is, you didn't have to. It's been the whole afternoon.
Thank you, Henry. Now we know Henry well. We love him. But now you're gonna sing the song.
Okay. Shameless plug.
Here we go. The Afternoon Delight song as sung by Kurt Darren. One,
All of us.
2, 3. They're gonna drive you home, make you feel alright on the Afternoon Delight. The music that they play is the sound of your life. Before the song is on at night. When you've had a long hard day, listen to what Andre has to say. Zelda keeps the ship upright while VR does just what he likes. Adrian tells you the sports goes right, and when you join in we get so excited. Sky rockets in flight, Afternoon Delight. Oh, Afternoon Delight. Kurt Darren, thank you so much for joining the Afternoon Delight.
I don't know so much about that one.
Thank you so much for singing our song. He's on stage in a couple of hours at the Bloemska. If you are in the area, pop in, go and say how's it. He's got his brand new CD out. He's got his new song, Kalfoot Sokkie. It will be happening this afternoon. Listen, otherwise, what can you, when are you back in? What other big news?
And now the big news, we're just having a great time. You know, I hope to bring some time to the Bloemfontein area. We've got a brand out called Super Sokkie.
Okay, so
where we take all the chairs out of a 2,000-seater venue in almal sokkie vir 4 ure lank. En ek het groot kunstenaars wat saam mee optree. So ons sal daai definitief bring Vrystaat toe. Ons soek net die regte venue.
So that's on the way. Kurt Darren, thank you so much. Now you have to get out of here soon. Let's do some OFM traffic. Zelda!
In your OFM traffic.